The elements that we use to make this model are box, skewer and plastic bottle. A parabola is the set of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point, which is a focus point and fixed line. V is a vertex labeled the coordinate 0, 0. So vertex is the turning point of the parabola. The secondly is a F. F is a focus point. The focus point labeled 0P. So this point is inside the parabola that helps define its shape. It lies a distance P away from the vertex along the axis of symmetry. And the horizontal line is a Y equal to P. This line is opposite the focus relative to the vertex. Every point on the parabola is the same distance from the focus as from this line. And the axis of symmetry is the y-axis. The parabola is symmetry about this vertical axis. And now we can see the equation of the parabola from the diagram. So the equation is x squared equal to 4yp for the equation of the parabola. Why the parabola is the suitable shape?
For structural efficiency, it is in parabola arch, all the load goes straight down along the curve, so there's very little bending or tension. It also has large spans with very thin materials, and the result, less material, less cost, greater strength. Second, for aerodynamic side resistance, it resists strong winds better, experience less turbulence and stress, and it reduces the chance of vibration or cracking over time. And the last one, for the acoustic and lighting benefits, it reflects sound and light evenly, which help in large open spaces, and it's make the interior feel more harmonious and visually dynamic.
In this part, I will answer some questions about hyperbola. The hyperbola has its center at the origin and transverse axis along the x-axis. The vertices are at 5, 0, negative 5, 0, and the foci at set 34, 0, and negative set 34, 0. First question, write the equation of the hyperbola. So we all know that the standard form of the equation of a hyperbola is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equal to 1. So we will need to find the a squared and the b squared. First of all, we all know that b is equal to plus minus a, 0. And with the given equation, we know that v is equal to 5, 0 and negative 5, 0. So we can assume that v is equal to plus minus 5, 0. Then a is equal to 5, which means that a square is equal to negative 5. Next, we will need to find the b square. We all know that c square is equal to a square plus b square, and we derive the equation to get the b square, which b square is equal to c square minus a square. First of all, we know that foci is equal to plus minus c, 0. With the given equation that we got earlier, f is equal to set 34, 0 and negative set 34, 0. And we assume that f is equal to plus minus set 34, 0. Then c is equal to set 34, which means that c square is equal to 34. And we substitute all the information that we got with a square and c square to the b square equation, and we got that b square is equal to 34 minus 25, and we got that b square is equal to 9, and so we get the a square is equal to 35 and b square is equal to 9, and we substitute that to the hyperbola equation, and we got that x square over 25 minus y square over 9 is equal to 1. Next question, find the equation of the asymptotes. So we know that the equation of the asymptotes for the horizontal transverse axis is y is equal to plus minus b over ax. Earlier, we got that b square is equal to 9, which means that b is equal to 3. A square is equal to 25. So a is equal to 5. We substitute the information that we got, and we will get the y is equal to plus minus 3 over 5x, and we will get two equations, which is y is equal to 3 over 5x and y is equal to negative 3 over 5x. And the last question, determine whether the point 73 lies inside, outside, or on the hyperbola. First, we must know that x square over a square minus y square over b square is equal to 1 is on the hyperbola, while if the hyperbola equation is less than 1, it's inside the hyperbola. And lastly, if the hyperbola equation is more than 1, it is outside the hyperbola. So, we substitute all the information that we got, which is 7, 3, to the hyperbola equation earlier, which is 7 square over 25 minus 3 square over 9, and we got that 49 over 25 minus 9 over 9, and we got that 49 over 25 is minus 1, then 49 over 25 minus 25 over 25, because we need to equal the denominator, and we got that 24 over 25. 24 over 25 is equal to 0.96. 0.96 is less than 1. So, lastly, the answer is 7, 3 lies inside the parabola. And that's all from me. Thank you.